The alternator only tensioners. They're on everything around here.
Yeah. It's factory part around here.
G'day guys. It's Calvin and Jason from the Cartoon Company. We're just discussing our alternator only tensioners that we make and sell.
Well, I'm not talking to yourself about them, I'm just here listening to you talk to yourself.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. So they bolt on that hole, yep, and that hole, yep, and the alternator pivot point. And there's enough meat to use the factory bolts, and then you tension them up, put the belt on. There are different size pulleys here. Okay, alternator pulleys are different on some of them, so that will change the way it's adjusted. But the discussion today is going to be on the 3UZ. 3UZs are all the same if they're running a normal alternator, but if they're running the 3UZ alternator, you end up with this extra tang sticking out, this extra lug mounting point. These still do fit, okay? What you'll find is if you tell us it's for a 3UZ, we get the grinder out and we just give it a little bit extra clearance right there. If you don't, then it won't be ground out like that and you'll have to do it yourself. I think that's pretty fair though. And if you tell us it's for a 3UZ, we'll chuck one of those in. I'll show you why. I just have to whip this one off because this one's been test fitted up for a customer. It's actually going to go on a wind machine, which is kind of interesting. Now the other thing I have done in here is I've clearanced the alternator just a little bit on the top of that bracket. Easy if I had the buzz gun, eh?
I'm surprised not using it.
I'm surprised I'm not using it either.
Try it for a battery, not because it's Saturday evening. No, it's beautiful.
Right, so that one's out. So we get the tensioner unit and just the design of this, they don't, oh, wait. So what I've done is I've popped the belt on earlier rather than later. So I'm going to leave the tensioner loose. And I'm slipping it behind the bracket. I'm going to slip the top bolt in. Slip the bottom. Oh, and we need to put that on the top there like that. And in with that bolt there. And I haven't tightened it up fully. It allows me to slip the threaded rod in and do that up. I then can come in, tighten that one, tighten that one. Tighten that one, and the nut on the threaded rod. On the back of here, there is a serrated nut. I do have the proper tool, but you can do this, but with a couple of Allen keys. Still turn it just fine. Job done. Really, really simple. So as you can see, it fits non-VVTI VVTI and the 3UZ with the extra bracket. Just have to change to that threaded rod, and it sits behind the bracket on that 3UZ. Hope that's been helpful. Do it again soon. Catch you later.